Hello students, I think all are fine. Now, before we will start with another topic, let us recollect what we have studied in our last session. Okay, you can see the graph on your screen. Okay, what we have studied already. Now, in that, what I taught you how to plot, the points are given to us. Suppose a point P is given like 2, 3. Then how can we plot it on a graph? So always read first coordinate for x-axis and second coordinate for y-axis. Okay, first coordinate is known as abscissa and second coordinate is known as ordinate. Okay, so sometimes they can ask you with giving this coordinate like this and ask you name the abscissa of point P. Then what you have to write it 2. Correct? Same way they can ask it for another point as we can take it for A. Ordinate in a point A. So what is an ordinate value is -4. So likewise you have to answer it. Okay. And you have the idea of plotting the points from both the values move. Suppose if it is P as 2, 3, move perpendicular up from x-axis. How much? From the y-axis with another one. Where both of them are meeting, that point will give me the required point P with the coordinates 2, 3. Okay, this is our revision of last session. Now, let us study another aspect of this coordinates only. I am showing you already labeled graph with 4 quadrants. Okay, you can see x-axis, x-dash axis, then y-axis and y-dash, the part of a graph. Giving you the points. Okay, suppose a point is plotted here and named it as A. Same way, something like this here, B. Now, one more thing I want to tell you here. I am doing a dot, point like, pin like dot over the intersecting point. You can see still here. Okay. And as it is not visible clearly, I am drawing a big circle over it. Don't make it that one a big blunt one. Correct? Don't do it like this. A big, like this big circle, as madam said it is not visible, small dot, so I make it. No, this is a wrong method of plotting because it will cover your 2, 3 small squares. So coordinate, then which coordinate you will label it? So that will give you wrong answer. So cancel it. It should not be plotted like this. Only single dot and over it make a circle over it so that you won't be confused with it. Now continuing further, I have given you some points in a graph. Now you have to write their coordinates, means abscissa and ordinates. Suppose if I start with a point A, what would be its coordinates? Abscissa would be move down with the x-axis. Towards the x-axis, if you move, where it is coming, line the foot of that point on 4. So my abscissa is 4. Now same way, move towards the y-axis where it is intersecting on a point 3. So it will give me 3. Same way, I will show you some different types, and rest of it you have to do it as a homework in your graph book. Now, as well as in the textbook also, it is given on page number 61. You have to write the coordinates. Okay. Now, what you have to do it as a homework, write the coordinates which are left to be written and its abscissa and ordinate also. Now, I will teach you if the point is lying on axis. Any of the axis, if it is lying, then what would be it? Suppose if we take it E, then how it will work it? See. So, coordinate x-axis, what it will be? 5, because it is lying on x-axis with a -5. So, it is -5. Now, what I will write it for y-axis? Coordinate will be 0, because where it will, I move it towards the y-axis. It is perpendicular at the origin. So, my y-coordinate would be 0. Got it? So, whichever the axis, the point is there, then another axis coordinate would be 0. As you can see here, the 5 minus this E point is lying on x-axis. Okay, at a -5. So, my x abscissa would be -5 and ordinate is 0. Same way now you can do it for H also. Yourself you have to do it. See, J point. The coordinates of a J. Draw a perpendicular. First always go for x-axis where it intersect. Move it like this. It is with the 4. So I am writing and it is positive. Okay. Then move it for the y-axis. For the y-axis, it is perpendicular at a point between -1 and -2. Correct? It is half between -1 and -2. So, what it will give me? After 1, but before 2. So, 1.5 it will give me. So, I am writing here -1.5 is the coordinates for my point J. Rest of all, you have to do it yourself. And if you are having a printed graph book, this won't be there with you. So you can have it a rough graph paper available at home. You can stick in your graph book as a write over it extra graph. Dear students, now you complete your notebook as well as graph what is taught to you. Thank you students for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.